Update another column based on logical operations on multiple columns. Pandas Python. I have a pandas data frame as below. I want to logically check multiple columns, A, B, C, and update column D with OR operation and update the column names which has true by comma separating in column E. I am not sure on how to achieve it. Any leads will be helpful. Edit. I am able to come up with column D but not sure how to proceed with column E.
Use dataframe ... plus series.str.restrip and series.replace. Result.
Another method would be to use stack.